Hey everybody, time for another unboxing video. I'm running a little behind this time because I refused to open this one until I was able to upload the Ant-Man box, which just recently got uploaded. So now that one's up, I can finally open this one. So this was the next Marvel Collector Corps box. I don't know if it had a theme. Oh yes, it had a Secret Wars theme. So we can see on the cover it's got Lady Thor. So let's get into this one and see what we got. Alright. On top we always got our patches and pin. So we have a patch that has Falcon. I believe that's, now that Falcon is Captain America, that's American Falcon, Captain Falcon, something. And then we have our pin. That's one that's got the recent Iron Man from the Axis story arc, where he's got all white armor, so that's cool. And we got a t-shirt, as always. Let's open that guy up. And this t-shirt has Secret Wars, and you can see it's got Captain Falcon, Iron Man, I can't think of what his name was, like Indestructible or Incredible Iron Man, Lady Thor, and Ultimate Spider-Man. So, it's pretty cool. Let's see what else we got. We got a Secret Wars comic book. Looks like it's Secret Wars issue number 1, but with a variant cover, the Marvel Collector Corps cover with Lady Thor on it. It's sensing a theme here with Lady Thor. So yes, as predicted, we have an exclusive Thor Secret Wars Lady Thor. That's pretty awesome. I mean, Lady Thor is pretty cool. So that's an exclusive, along with Spider-Man Miles Morales, the Ultimate Spider-Man, and he's kind of posed. Like he's not just standing straight, it looks like he's a little cockeyed or something. Could just be the way he's in the box, but Ultimate Spider-Man. Very cool. And that is it for this box. So nothing too extreme, but both Funkos, which are awesome. Variant cover comic book, patch, button, and t-shirt. Alright, and that'll do it for this box, and see you when I open the next one. Thanks.